Now we get into the provisions under the Drugs and Cosmetics Act and the rules framed under the Act regarding manufacturing of drugs. Now, most of the products sold across the country are those which are manufactured in India. The country has tremendous manufacturing capacity, and these various manufacturing sites are regulated through an elaborate licensing system and an inspection system backed by revamped good manufacturing practice or GMP guidelines as set out in Schedule M. Together, these try and ensure that the drugs coming out into the Indian market, manufactured in the country, are of proper quality. Before we set out to see the provisions, we start with the prohibitory clause. The prohibitory clause prohibits manufacturing of and selling of certain types of drugs in India. These include: first, no person shall manufacture for sale or distribute or sell or stock or exhibit for sale any drug which is not of standard quality. That means which is adulterated, spurious, or misbranded. No person shall get into the manufacturing or selling of any patent or proprietary medicine unless and until the label clearly states the true list of active ingredients and the quantities in which they are present. No person shall manufacture or sell any product, any drug product, which by means of any statement, design accompanying the product claims to prevent, cure, or mitigate any disease which is mentioned in Schedule J. The labels of drug products are not intended to disclose the purpose of the product and are not intended to make any claims for the product. No person is allowed to manufacture or sell or stock or exhibit any drug which has been manufactured in contravention to any provisions of the Act or rules. Let's begin with the prohibitory clauses under the Act. This is a clause which prevents or which prohibits any person from making or selling certain types of drug products. These include, firstly, any drug which is not of standard quality, that means which is adulterated, misbranded, or spurious. Any patent or proprietary medicine, unless and until that label clearly states the true list of active ingredients along with the quantities of the drugs which are present in the product. No person is allowed to manufacture or sell a drug product which by means of any statement, design, device, or any other means accompanying it makes a claim that the product is intended to cure any disease which is specified in Schedule J. No person is allowed to manufacture a drug product unless it is manufactured under the license, and also it has to be manufactured in accordance with the conditions of the license.